Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman. Welcome to the Food Zone, where we learn recipes together, we learn and we grow. This is a 5-minute wing recipe. You could just make it and heat it up in the microwave, or you can heat it in a pan with a cover, or it's up to you, or you could just eat it cold. But for today's recipe, we're going to need two products: Naked Truth pre-cooked chicken wings and Noble and Made mild buffalo sauce. The Naked Truth wings are really good. They're oven roasted chicken wings, and they're fully cooked, so you don't even have to cook them. And then we have Noble and Made buffalo sauce. So this is really quick. We're just going to get a bowl, and we're going to combine the wings and pour the sauce on and just mix it up. And then, like I said, if you wanted to, you could put it in the pot, or you could throw it in the microwave. Me, I'm going to throw it in the microwave. But like I said, this is 5 minutes or less. Probably only take you 3 minutes. Alright, so we're back. We got our bowl ready, and we have those nice chicken wings. Like I said, they're already pre-cooked, so we're just going to pour them in. And like I say, you can see the nice quality right there. So the next, we're just going to pour the sauce on there and mix it up. Alright, so we're back. And there's that nice buffalo sauce. Look at it. So we're going to just drizzle that over the wings. And this one comes in medium and also hot. So the thing you're going to want to do is just stir this up to get it like all over the wings. But you can see the nice color. Look how rich that is. So you're just going to want to mix that up, and like we're going to throw it in the microwave. But like I said a couple times, if you want, you could throw it in here and put the cover on. But you got to make sure you do it on low and it doesn't suck up all the heat. Suck up all the sauce. Coming at you at 4K. Alright, so we got that, YouTube. It's nice and covered in sauce. So we're going to take it to the microwave, and we're going to do it on 20 minutes at a time. 20 seconds at a time. So just do it 20 seconds at a time until these wings are basically the temperature you want them to. So like I said, this one's really easy. I know you could do it in 5 minutes or less, maybe even 3 minutes. Alright, YouTube, I actually did it for 60 seconds, which was a minute. And now I'm just going to put it on my plate. We're done with the microwave. Alright, so we're back, YouTube. That's the final product. That's how you make buffalo wings mild in 5 minutes or less. But like I said, you just need those pre-cooked chicken wings that are already roasted, and you need the mild sauce. Like I said, you could kick it up. You got medium or hot, or use whatever hot sauce you want. But this is your 5-minute wings. Thanks for visiting me. Please subscribe, hit the bell for 3 to 5 updates a week. And you be safe. This is Dansoy, aka Batman. Peace. See you soon.